Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you an unboxing of my Chanel purchase from the 2023 Christmas gift range. As you can see, is the special packaging. I ordered this online, so it came with a usual Chanel cardboard box on the outside, but during the Christmas period, they do have a limited edition Christmas style packaging that basically is first in, first serve. At first, in terms of first in, first serve, in terms of the availability of this special packaging. For you to get this special packaging, you would need to click on checkout for the cardboard packaging style instead of the cotton pouch, which is the other alternative option that you can choose when you purchase at the Chanel online store for makeup and fragrances. So this is actually a purchase for myself as a Christmas gift, but I am unboxing this earlier so I can do this video for you all, so that you can have a look at the Christmas type packaging and the limited edition products. So with the Christmas packaging, you get a option of adding a card message, which is quite nice if you to give this as a gift. But also, you with every single purchase, you get to choose 2 extra samples that can be included in the package free of charge, which again I find is quite a nice gift idea. So when you buy one product as a gift, you get to choose 2 extra little freebies that you can include into the gift, which is packaged in a nice little black pouch, which you can always reuse for other little items and trinkets. So for my order, I have ordered a perfume. It's the Chanel Coco Mademoiselle order perfume. Oh, I forgot to mention the charm that comes along on the ribbon of the Christmas packaging. So you've got the double C charm as well as a small charm that is I believe is a Chanel number 5 bottle. Bear in mind that the website do say that it's limited in quantities that they allow that they give the charm, the Chanel charm again. And I hear that every year they do different charms and you can collect them. It might make good use as a Christmas tree decoration, which is what I'm going to be using it for. Back to the purchase that I made is a Coco Mademoiselle limited edition order perfume in the 100ml size bottle. Now the reason why is limited edition, I like the difference from the normal, I believe, is the bottle itself looks different, but also it's the basically the cardboard box outside of it. As you can see in the background there, it's of a Christmas pearl and gold case, they call it. Look, to be honest, I was thinking that it might be a very special looking box, but it's just an ordinary cardboard box, although it does look quite nice to present it on the table or as a gift. But yeah, the reason why I purchased this is I've got a sample of this perfume and I quite come to like this perfume, so yeah, that's why I decided to make use of the Christmas additional sort of nice packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging, for good packaging. It would be better if these are all recyclable and compostable, but Having said that, because the packaging is so nice, I probably would be using the packaging for other items around my house, or just for decoration purposes during Christmas time or next year's Christmas time. But yeah, so the fragrance is I find not overpowering. I've tried also the Chanel number 5 as a perfume sample, and I really did not like that smell. It actually is too overpowering for me, and it just makes me quite nauseous. I think as I've said in other videos, I'm quite sensitive to certain smells, and when the smells doesn't agree with me, I get headaches and nauseous and wanting to vomit. But yeah, this Coco Mademoiselle perfume, on the other hand, it lasts a long time, but at the same time it's not so overpowering that I feel sick with it. This is it from me today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Some eye candy there. I will definitely be placing this box under my Christmas tree, even though I kind of know what it is because I bought it myself. I think it still makes a very nice decoration under the tree. Until next time, thank you very much for watching, and you all take care.